Imagine walking into a room. You stop. You stare around. And suddenly, you have absolutely no idea why you're there. Was your memory erased? Is your brain failing? Or is your brain actually protecting you? The answer is far stranger than you think.
Have you ever forgotten someone's name just seconds after hearing it? Or searched everywhere for your phone while holding it in your hand? It happens to everyone. Young people, adults, even memory champions forget things. So why does our brain forget? Is memory broken? Or is forgetting one of the smartest things your brain does? Today, we're going inside your brain to uncover one of its greatest secrets.
Most people imagine memory like a giant video recorder. Everything happens, and your brain saves it forever. But that's completely wrong. Your brain is more like a movie director. It decides what deserves attention, what deserves storage, and what should simply disappear forever. Every single second, your eyes receive millions of pieces of information. Your ears hear hundreds of sounds. Your skin feels temperature, pressure, movement. Yet you remember almost none of it, because your brain is constantly filtering reality.
Every memory goes through 3 stages. First, encoding. Your brain decides whether something is important enough to notice. Then, storage. The memory is organized and stored across different brain regions. Finally, retrieval. Your brain searches for that memory whenever you need it. Forgetfulness can happen at any one of these steps. Sometimes, the memory was never properly saved. Sometimes, it's stored perfectly, but impossible to find. It's like having a book in a library without knowing which shelf it's on.
Here's something surprising. Your brain doesn't want to remember everything. Imagine remembering every face, every conversation, every number, every meal, every advertisement you've ever seen. Your brain would become overloaded. So it deletes information that isn't useful anymore. Just like your phone removes temporary files, your brain cleans itself. Scientists call this adaptive forgetting. And without it, thinking would actually become harder.
Have you ever forgotten something important during an exam, only to remember it later? That's because stress changes your brain. When you're anxious, your body releases cortisol. Too much cortisol interferes with the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for forming memories. Ironically, the harder you try to remember, the harder it becomes.
Here's something amazing. Your brain doesn't finish making memories while you're awake. It finishes them while you're asleep. During deep sleep, important memories become stronger. Unimportant ones disappear. Your sleeping brain works like a librarian, carefully organizing thousands of memories every night. That's why pulling an all-nighter before an exam usually makes remembering harder.
Can you remember your second birthday? Probably not. This is called childhood amnesia. When we're very young, the hippocampus is still developing. Many early experiences simply aren't stored in the way adult memories are. They happened. You just can't retrieve them.
Absolutely. Scientists have discovered several simple habits. Pay attention, sleep well, exercise regularly, repeat information, connect new ideas with old memories, and perhaps the most powerful trick? Teach someone else. Explaining information forces your brain to strengthen those neural connections.
So the next time you forget why you walked into a room, don't panic. Your brain isn't broken.
It's doing exactly what evolution designed it to do. Sometimes, forgetting isn't failure, it's intelligence. And here's one final question. If your brain decides what you'll remember, how many memories have you already forgotten forever?
If you enjoy discovering the incredible secrets hidden inside the human brain, subscribe to Curious Minds, because every week we uncover another mystery your brain never told you.